Hello Hyderabad, we welcome you to the world of organic beauty, world of nature, where the beautiful city of Nizam, the beautiful city of Hyderabad, where we have from Charminar to Falaknuma Palace, Hussain Sagar, all these beautiful places now, the city is going to be more beautiful with nature's way. Yes, we have started Bio here. Bio is a part of organic beauty, which is India's unique concept of beautifying life in the natural way. We use cosmetics which are made of completely organic ingredients. The things you are putting on the skin, what you can even eat. We use fresh flowers, vegetables, we use different type of herbs which are absolutely without any chemical. And the best part is it's in harmony with your skin. When we speak about the beauty, no one can understand beauty better than India. And in organic beauty and bio, we are bringing back the Indian concept of beauty. What was used for royalty? You use things like milk, curd, you have different flowers, you have exotic clays, you have your day-to-day regular vegetables and foods which will not cause any harm. We can assure you that every product what we are using is the product what you can even intake it. So they are healthy, they are happy, and they are going to bring in the long-lasting youth to you. Yes, because of the chemicals, the worst part is it can give you a sudden result, but at the same time, in long term, there will be so many side effects. At Bio, we will be making sure that you don't have any side effects on your skin, and we have these personalized skin analysis treatments. When analyze your skin, we'll get to know what is less in your skin, how to fill in all those things, and how to make you more beautiful. For a everlasting beauty which is not artificial, which comes from within you and which makes you glowing, please do visit to Bio. And as Mr. Praveen is there, he has brought in the concept to Hyderabad, so I really appreciate, and I give him all the lots of good luck. He started 10 years back from Bangalore, and we are having a celebrity saloon, having so many celebrities coming in there. We are already in Delhi, Lucknow, and the different coming up in Guwahati, Patna, the different parts of India. Now it's turned to Hyderabad. So get ready, Hyderabad, to be beautiful. Perfect combination of traditional Indian market as well as lots of youngsters are coming. After becoming Cyberabad, Hyderabad is again one of the fastest growing city, and you have youngsters coming from all over India. And the people here, even the people, the basic, because being in the Bangalore also, they are so keen to go for good quality products. They don't just want to go something which is only a show of things. They want things which actually enhance and which has the good quality things which is coming in. That's the one reason. And I have since long time I've always been fascinated with Hyderabad. I love the city, made with the Necklace Road, and it is a perfect combination. When you go to high-tech city, you see this very ultra-modern international city feel. And at the same time, when you go to the old city, you can have that Mughal era feeling still sinking in. So I think Hyderabad is one of the most beautiful cities in India will be. That's the reason we are here. 7 centers in coming year. So hopefully very soon you will be finding us at different locations. So it will be easy for you to come. By the time all of you can come, walking to Kukatpalli, because being the first center, and it's we have ample parking place there. There's no problem with parking, and a great team to help you, to support you, and to make you feel special.
And I'm the managing director of this Nandita's unit in Hyderabad, and I have taken franchisee from Nandita's TBZ, and this is the first franchisee in Hyderabad. And Nandita's TBZ is the first organic spa and salon in India, and I'm really proud that I'm the part of this unit in Hyderabad for the first time. Here Nandita's products, really our own products, and we are not using any chemicals. This is purely organic, and in any procedures people are using chemicals, and with those chemicals it will give the smoothness or beauty, it's a temporary, and also it will affect the skin, hair and nails. So here in organic way we can give really good quality for the beauty and hair. So ఇది ఆర్గానిక్ బ్యూటీ చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ రియల్లీ ట్రెడిషనల్. సో ఇంతకుముందు అందరూ చాలా ఇది పొల్యూటెడ్ అవ్వడం వల్ల, పొల్యూషన్స్ వల్ల చాలా హెల్త్ అండ్ బ్యూటీ చాలా ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది పీపుల్కి. సో ఇప్పుడు పీపుల్ ఆర్ రియల్లీ బిహైండ్ వెల్నెస్. సో వెల్నెస్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ హెల్త్ అండ్ బ్యూటీ. So that is the reason I have taken a decision to be a part of wellness industry and be part of Nandita's TBZ.